Popeyes made a new. Oh, I totally zoned out. Uh, Popeye, blah 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 blah. Popeyes Ghost Pepper Chicken Tenders. Hot is the hot ones. They got hot ones. Popeyes Ghost Pepper Nuggets. Let's try it. It's like ghost pepper dry rub. I guess they don't want to kill any grandmas or people with weak organs or whatnot. Standard fast food restaurant protocol, I guess. If I had a restaurant, I'd be killing grandmas all the time. Whoa, who was that? Anyways, they got this ranch. I don't like ranch, so I don't want to try. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah! I don't like ranch. That sucked. What the hell? Oh, it is spicy though. Alright, that was like actually spicy. But yeah. Yeah, they don't want to be killing any grandmas or whatnot. Oh, there's an alternate reality where Popeyes actually does make these wings, and they're like, are there any grandmas around here? I need to slay them, so I can give the blood to the Popeyes chicken god. Yeah, this ain't shit. It's not spicy at all. Whoa, 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 whoops. Uh-oh. Woo. Uh-oh. Hello, welcome to Hot Ones. So, blah, 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 interview, blah, blah, blah. Whoa, what are you doing? Let's dab, let's go. Whoa, 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 chill. Ew, I'm hungry. Yeah, this shit, this is not spicy enough. I didn't do that, I spilled that shit, look. I gotta eat more, then fire myself. I mean, it's good pepper sauce. May not get spicy, as long as it was. Still strong though, you know. Eyes here, nose. Boogers! Boogers! And I mean, it's like spicy, I guess. No, what? Okay, shut! I gotta eat last four. Gotta dish it up. I was like, finish it up. I'm not dry rub on sides. Oh, look, dry rub. Delicious. Hot Ones garlic chili. This comes with a little bit of dried vegetables, a couple of noodles, and 2 sauce packs. One big one with the main sauce. Tried it. You know, a little bit spicy. Put in the extra spicy pack. Tastes a little bit like tahini. Now I will eat this. Very delicious. Very potent. Be very careful when using your nose near this. Don't, because this will make you sneeze very fast. I have a drink. Okay. Now this is a secret. They don't tell you about this. Hot Ones made... Nah, that's not a secret. Hot Ones made this. The Hot Ones. And then I have here the last dab. So, you usually put this on like chicken wings and stuff. So I'm not going to put any... Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh! What the hell? Oh! 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 Oh!